Gusto ni ate yung mas malakas pa. Hello, kids!
Hello po!
Before we start, magpapakilala muna kami. I'm Ate Erica, your host for today. And I am with Ate Mercy. Say hi to Ate Mercy. Raise your hands nga kung sino ang gustong mag-dance. Wow! They want to dance, Ate Mercy. Before tayo mag-dance, ituturo muna namin yung step. First step is jump to the right, sway natin yung then left, then right, then left again. After that is roll. And roll. Repeat lang natin siya ng 2 times. The next step is jump to the right. And after that is wiggle. Okay, repeat din natin siya ng 2 times. And then, arm strong. Arm strong. Then arm strong. Arm strong. Okay. And ang final step natin is roll. Okay, Ate Mercy, mukhang ready na sila. So, music please! Okay, march! March! Jump! Armstrong! Okay, very good, kids. Let's sit down now. Wait natin si Ate Mercy para ibigay sa inyo yung balloons. Okay, sit down. For today, gagawa tayo ng sword balloon. Raise your hands nga kung sino nakakalam ng sword. Alam nila yung sword, Ate Mercy. Sa paggawa ng sword balloon, follow nyo lang yung step na ituturo namin ni Ate Mercy. Okay? First step, gagawa tayo ng maliit na bilog doon sa may dulo.